Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, we're going to be doing a 2D sketch of a flower from a blueprint. First thing we must do, though, is save our file and name it. So we're going to call this flower drawing. Mind where you save it. And then what you should have done is gone to the Google Classroom assignment, downloaded the blueprint, and then upload so we can upload it here to Fusion. So assuming you've done that, we're going to go to Insert, Canvas. We're going to grab our flower blueprint and we're going to choose the front face. Okay, let's just make sure that the front face is showing. We're going to enlarge this. Okay. And I'm going to just make sure that we click on that front face. I'm going to set it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a sketch and I'm just going to choose the poster itself. So what we're going to do is there's two layers of these petals here. So there's one layer that's in front of the other, one that's behind the other. So we're going to work back to front. We're going to do these back leaves, then the front leaves, and we're going to do the center. All right. So we're going to start with the center first. So we're going to zoom way in and we're going to grab a point right here. And we're going to find the center, add a point, and grab our circle tool. Okay, we're going to make that first circle and the second circle. Okay. Now we're going to try to get one of these leaves right here. And to do that, I'm going to grab the spline and do my best to trace the shape. Okay, and I'm just going to try to fit it to the line the best I can. Okay, that's fine. And maybe it could be a little closer. There we go. That looks nice. I'm going to grab the other side. Right. Okay, so that should do it. I'm now going to go to my circular pattern. I'm going to choose the lines I want, which are this line and this line. So it's two selected. We're going to switch to the center point, and we're going to grab that point right there. I have counted eight of these petals. So I'm going to put that in, eight for the quantity, and they should just fit right over these right here. So we're going to hit OK. And if we were to toggle off the canvas, oops, it didn't get the line. So it's good to toggle off, okay, just to see what's going on. If you grab the line, let's try that again. Circular pattern. We're gonna make sure we got both lines. This one, let's cancel that. And that one here. All right, hopefully that will work. Okay, that looks like it's gonna work. So we're gonna put eight in. Okay, hit OK. And that looks right. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to grab these leaves here. So I'm going to zoom way in. I'm going to get my 3-point arc for this one. And I'm going to go from top of the leaf to the center bottom and get that same arc here. I'm going to get another arc and do the same thing. So from this point to the very center, grab that, and that's looking good. So I'm going to go to my circular pattern. I'm going to get this line and this line, center point right here. We're going to put in 8. Okay, zoom out. And that's looking good right there. So we've completed this whole first top right here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my sketch palette. I'm going to click off a few things like points. Dimensions, constraints. Let me click off. And so it's a nice clean drawing. All right. So that's looking really good. And what I'm gonna do now is I guess I could complete the rest of this and we'll go back for I'll do the vase and then I'll go back for these patterns right here. So to do this, it's really easy. We're just gonna go to our 3-point arc. We're gonna go from the top of each line and fit that curve to it. We're gonna go from here to here, fit that to it, right? We're gonna grab our line tool and we're just gonna make 2 lines. Let's fix that line, bring it down. There we go. Good. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. Hmm. Okay. Well, maybe I'm gonna redo that one line. All right. Let's try that again. All right. It's looking good. All right, so we're gonna leave it here. And I might actually add just one more line to the bottom. Okay, and that makes it a closed shape. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and finish the rest and see you in the next tutorial.